There may be times when you'll want to change, add, delete, customize a template. Now it doesn't matter whether you're talking about the subjective, the objective, the assessment, or the plan. All of the templates will be corrected in the same manner or customized in the same manner. So let's assume we're going to add a subjective template. We'll select the subjective template button, which will open up our list. Now at this point we can add to any of these. So let's say that first we're going to edit one. So select the edit button, and that turns, you'll notice the difference between the white and the gray. They have to be in this gray color to be edited. Alright, then select the one that you wish to edit. So let's select complaints. We can change the title of that list if we choose, or we can select one that's empty. So let's say that we're going to put our custom templates in here, and we'll call these, for the sake of this, custom. Alright, so we'll save that. Now cancel. You'll see that the custom is there, but there won't be any templates under that. However, when we select this button, it will take us to this empty screen, and you'll see the heading at the top, custom. Alright, so what we're going to do is add a template. So we hit the add button, and we now can type our description. For this version, ignore the complaint code. It's going to have no purpose. It's reserved for future use. So let's say that we want our text replacement to be to begin with the patient's name. So we would hit the name, and then we would put a space to start the next word. This is going to put the patient's first name in that box, and we'll say said, and then we're going to say he or she was about the same. Alright, so this could be anything. Now we'll click save if this is what we want it to how we want it to appear. Now in this format, it will appear immediately after the last period. If we'd like it to start on a new line, then we want to put the cursor at the beginning, and we're going to hit a return and leave a blank line, and then this will start on a new line. If we'd like it to start as a new paragraph, then we will click and add 2 lines. And you can add as many lines as you like, or take out as many lines as you like. Alright, so in this case it's going to begin as a new paragraph. Now when we save it, by clicking the save button, you'll see that our template appears. Alright, so now it's ready to use. We'll click done. It's going to ask us to select that and put it into the note. If we don't want to select one, we would simply select the button to go back. So now our custom template button is here. We can select custom. We can see that our template is there. If we wish to use that now in a note, we would select it and hit done. And when we open our note, that will be replaced with the correct pronoun and the correct name. Now let's say we want to edit that. So we'll go back in, we'll hit the button, and we're going to edit the template. In this case, we'll select edit. Now you'll see the icon appear of the pad with the pencil. Touch that and make the change. So we'll say the same without any improvement of, and maybe we want to put the complaint that he's talking about of this. Alright, so now we will save. We'll select cancel so that we're ready to use that, and let's see how it appears now. So we'll select done, open our note, and now you can see that it says improvement of his right neck pain that goes into his right shoulder. Alright, so that doesn't matter which one of these you would go into. If you want to edit them, you select edit, and it will allow you to select the one that you'd like to edit. If you'd like to delete it, take all of that out and save it, and it will go away. Alright, if you choose to delete a line, click this. You can select multiples, and when you select delete, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete it? If you are, click yes, and they'll be eliminated. If you're not, select no. Cancel, go back to the note.